let me show you all features that we can assign into the snap key on OPPO Find X9 Pro. So in this case, what you need to do to find these options is go to settings, then over here go to snap key. And there we go. So of course, by default, we use it to access the mind space. In this case, we can press the snap key once in order to save the screen content and create the summary. We can also press and hold it in order to start recording a voice memo. And you can double press the snap key to jump into the mind space. You can also use sound and vibration option that allows you to switch between ring mode, vibrate mode, and silent mode. In this case, you need to press and hold the snap key to switch between these modes. We have the not disturb mode, which also, in order to use it, we need to press and hold the snap key. We have the camera options. You can press and hold the snap key in order to open the camera. You can also switch to any of these modes of the camera. We can also use it for the flashlight. We can record ourselves, so we can create an audio recording. We can also use the translate option, and over here we actually can use it for screen translation as well. We can also use it to take a screenshot. And of course, we can just completely disable the functionality of the snap key. And if you choose any of these options, then of course we need to confirm and apply these changes by using this set button at the bottom of the screen. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.